Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Phonics with Teacher Lovie, and our lesson is about short I sound. Okay, short I sounds E, 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 ink, E, E, ink, ink, okay, E, E, igloo, E, E, igloo. Okay, so short I sounds E. Okay, so don't forget that. And the rule is the same, C, V, C. Okay, don't forget the rule is, okay, C, V, C means consonant plus vowel plus consonant. Okay, so here our vowel is the I, which is the E sound, E. Okay, E. So C, V, C. Don't forget that. Okay, now I have words here that has short I sound. Okay, first is bib. Okay, B, E, B, bib. B, E, B, bib. Can you repeat after me? Louder, please. B, E, B, bib. Very good. One more time. B, E, B, bib. Very good. Another is, okay, ending with D sound. Okay, D sounds D. Okay, this one is K, E, D, kid. K, E, D, kid. Can you repeat after me? K, E, D, kid. Very good. Another one is B, E, D, bid. One more time. B, E, D, bid. Okay, another is H, E, D, hid. H, E, D, hid. Very good. Okay, one more. L, E, D, lid. L, E, D, lid. Very good. So this is kid, bid, hid, lid. Okay, all of these words are ending with D sound. Okay. Another one is, another set is ending with G sound. Okay, G sounds G. Okay, this is W, E, G, wig. W, E, G, wig. Very good. W, E, G, wig. Very good. Okay, another word is B, E, G, big. B, E, G, big. Very good. Okay, another one. D, E, G, dig. D E G dig. Very good. And the last word is, okay, you know this, P E G pig. P E G pig. Very good. So this is wig. Wig. And this is the wig. And this one, big. Big. Dig. Dig. Pig. Pig. Very good. Okay. These are all ending with G sound. G. Okay. Next set is ending with N sound. Okay. And N. Okay. B. I. N. Bin. B. I. N. Bin. One more time. B. I. N. Bin. Very good. So this is the bin. Okay. Right. Next word is F. I. N. Fin. F. I. N. Fin. Very good. Okay. And one more. Right. W. I. N. Win. W. I. N. Win. W. I. N. Win. Right? Okay, so this is bin. Fin. Win. Very good. Okay, these are all ending with N sound. Okay, next is ending with P. P. Okay, this is P sound. P. P. Okay, or P. Right? L. I. P. Lip. L. I. P. Lip. Okay, this is the lip. Your lip. Right? L. I. P. Lip. Very good. Okay. Another word. T. I. P. Tip. T. I. P. Tip. One more time. T. I. P. Tip. Very good. Okay, one more word. Okay. Z. 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 I. P. Zip. Z. I. P. Zip. Z. I. P. Zip. Very good. So this is lip. Lip. Tip. Tip. Zip. Zip. Very good. Okay. Next is ending with T. Okay. So next is ending with T sound. T. T. Right? So this is H. I. T. Hit. Hit. Okay. H. I. T. Hit. Hit. Hit the ball. Right? H. I. T. Hit. H. I. T. Hit. One more time. H. I. T. Hit. Very good. Next word is F. I. T. feet. One more time. feet. Very good. Next word is sit. 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 Sit down, right? So these are all ending with T. This is hit, fit, sit. All right, very good. Okay. The last set is ending with X. Okay, X sound X, X, X. Okay, so this is S, E, X, 6. S, E, X, 6. S, E, X, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Okay, next word is Phonics. Fix. Phonics. Fix. Phonics. Fix. Very good. Okay, next is last word is mix. 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 All right, very good. So this is 6. Fix. Mix. So be sure to sound the X. 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 6. Fix. Mix. Very good. So these are all the words with short I sound. Okay? In our next lesson, we're going to study about the short O sound. Okay? Be sure to follow this video for more lesson. Okay, bye. See you next time.